just in my building, you see.
That's the first time I'm going back to Jamaica, right?
First time back in Ireland, you know. So I be a fun, she go on. Big thing, you see me?
Good foolishness, I don't know bad foolishness. Yeah, man, so stay tuned.
You know what I'm saying?
You see me, I say?
I said, I almost missed my flight. Couldn't believe.
Boy, sleep. Go to bed at night, man. Go to bed early at night time, man. Business come first, you know?
Business to come first.
Alright, in a bit. Guys, this is the traffic that I have to deal with, you know? I-4 traffic, Orlando. Yeah, so we're on our way to the airport right now, guys. So, yep, we're kind of stuck in traffic. We've been here for about 20 minutes now, you know? Barely moving. But, yeah, part of life, you know? Yeah, man, so we're on our way right now and we'll be there maybe in about 45 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, man, so just a drop off the car, you know? Park and fly, so drop it off real quick and then...
Yeah, shout out to those guys for the cheapest parking ever.
Yeah, man, cheapest parking ever, you know?
And fly.
Yeah.
Like, no bullshit, no promotion, nothing with us, like...
B parking.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, literally B parking, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, check them out if you're in the Orlando area and you want a quick, fast service, cheap. Yeah, man, $2.95 a day.
Yeah. And we're not getting paid to, like...
Exactly, we're not
getting
getting paid.
Promotion,
Yeah. But right now, we're just waiting on the shuttle because, you know, yeah, that's part of the service. So once you drop off your vehicle, then you wait for the shuttle and you take it to the airport. Yeah, man, so...
For real.
Legit.
Legit, shout out to these guys, bro.
Yeah.
The cheapest parking ever, bro. Legit. Look at all this car.
Yeah, so that's the parking lot right here. This is a parking lot. Yeah, man, so this is where they're gonna leave your car and then they'll drop you off at the airport. You see me, I say? Terminal A. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I get something as well, right?
Just
Patron.
I get something as well.
Patron.
did you want that on the rocks or just me?
Just not whatever, not on the rocks. Yeah.
Same thing, me.
Yeah.
Hey, shots. Shout out
You
to
don't
shots,
know. You
But
know.
we're just chilling.
Just chilling.
They're right there on the plane.
You see it.
Nonetheless, I'll see how we get on the Jamaica for sure.
I'm out.
I'm excited and I'm ready to eat a whole bunch of different foods and fruits and have a good time.
Where we going? Where we going?
First time
First
in
time?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yep, my first time flying.
Are you excited?
Yep, very excited.
All right. Yeah, man, that's good.
Me,
Huh?
I just like good on the video room.
You just go for the rum.
Yes.
Me just go for your jerk chicken.
Ah, okay,
That's it.
just the rum.
All right. Outside, you know. That's it. See there? Outside. That's it. Yeah, man. So, this is the second day in Jamaica right now. Just wake up in the morning and we're about to put some food on the fire. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So, we got some brown stew chicken and some boiled dumpling and banana and all them things there going this morning. You see it? Yeah, so, continue to watch the video, man. Yeah, man, see it there.
Outer road.
Outer road. Look at brown stew, you know?
Look there.
Look there.
The chicken too dark, man.
Here, someone, man, but chicken too dark. Here.
Dark, look there.
Here. Once the water go up and you wash it up.
You know wash off.
Here, no brown stew, man.
It's too dark,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
You put
yeah.
too much brown in.
Here. It goes sweet, don't worry. Nah, bitter. Want to
You
put
sure?
more, be positive. Hey, that danger. So put
Yeah.
some brown in.
Brown in.
You can't spoil my pot, you know. Too much chef around here, because guess what? You sure tell me put ginger, put this, put that in it, and now she have to. No, you want to say too dark. If you don't put enough brownish, you say too light. Yeah, man, but this is the real Jamaican style cooking. Outdoor, you know? Wood fire style.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, them a burn me.
Yo, if I did smoke, you know,
Smoke,
man.
you know?
Yeah.
Alright, pot of bubble, you know? Yeah, man. So we're adding some liquid in it. Yeah, man. So build up the gravy, you know? Yeah. Uncle Idea, say the chicken not too brown, you know? New style of cooking them, you know? Yeah, man. Huh? feed them, man. Early cooking, you know? Yeah, man. Watch out. Oh, you saying can't make flour? You can't make flour. You can't need dumpling.
You going to see now? Wait.
Where's saying fix it? Are you boil the flour, you know, Deandra? You boil the flour.
So not boil, man.
You good, you know?
Good enough, man.
Yeah, man.
One not boil.
Flour so gone on the fire, you know? So the flour chef there. Dumpling chef.
Flour pretty.
Pretty like money. What you call her one day?
Look at him roll.
What's that?
Look at him roll.
Look at him roll.
Look at him roll. We can cook it and then slice it.
And then slice it. Just like that. The next dumpling chef, yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She make dumpling, you know? Boil dumpling in the morning.